Hello, my name is Tam Laszlo, and this is the StyleStage project for Group 5. Our theme was football and glass morphism. Let me introduce you to my part of the project. I was responsible for the background. As you can see, I use SVG to achieve this grass-like texture with this green. I'm pretty pleased with the results. Also for the sections, I use glass morphism. Glass morphism means that the panels are almost transparent, but they are distorting the background, and this gives the feeling of the style of a tinted glass. And as you can see, the background is fixed, so when I scroll up and down, the panels are moving, and it looks pretty good in front of this background. You might have noticed that we use the 1.5 ratio for the H3, H2, and of course the H1, just as we were learning in the lesson. And last but not least, for the links, I created a little mix-in which also uses an SVG, and I put on a little transition. If I hover it, it starts to slowly turn right and then back left, and gently easing back to its starting position. I was thinking about using animations, try to roll the ball continuously, both with the text and only just the ball, but the movement felt disorienting, so I was thinking that the best way to do it is to keep it stick to the transitions. Anyway, this was my part in the project, and now I pass the torch to Shakila Mamba. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, friend.
My name is Sakila Mamba, and in this video I'll introduce you to my work and the responsibilities for the StyleStage project for Group 5. My partner and teammate Laszlo has already introduced our theme, which is basically soccer or football, as you can see from the grass and the soccer balls over here. My responsibility in this particular web page was to lay out all the major components. For that, I used grid layout. I was also responsible for creating the navigation bar, the header, and the footer. For the header, I just simply centered the text. For the navigation bar, I used a flex box to lay out the menu items in a row. For the footer, I used the same technique I used in the header. I just simply centered the content. As you can see, our web page is responsive as you basically squish it down or reduce the size. The navigation bar becomes vertical, and as you stretch it out, the navigation bar becomes horizontal. Thank you so much. This is our StyleStage project for the semester in this course WDD 331R. I hope you guys like our video and our web page.